Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to add pets, add or remove pets on Free Fire. For example, on the home screen, right, you can see the player and you can see these options pet on the left side on your mobile. So go to pet, okay, go to pet. If you want, you can purchase, okay, which pet you need, you can purchase. If you get any free skin, just you can use it. For example, I'm going to use this T, so I'm going to choose that. So choose it. Once you are chosen, right, you need to click on this AQ. Kitty is joining. Even you can rename it. You can set the new nickname. But I'm going to close it and closing it. So pet is added with the player. So I'm going to start the game. So here you can see the pet is with the player. It will be with you. See, Kitty is also diving with you. Okay, so now wherever you go, right, it will be coming with you. See, so this is the way you can add the pets. I'm going to exit the game, and if you don't want this pet with you, you can remove it. So on the home screen, go to pet and choose your pet here. So this is the kitty I'm using. Once your pet is selected, just click on this rest. Kitty went back to rest. That's it. Now going back, so pet is gone. That's it, friends. This is the way you can add or remove the pet in Free Fire. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comment and feedback on the video found. Thank you. Bye and take care.